It's Christmas crafting time again, and we are starting our Christmas crafting countdown to Christmas. And I think I'm going to challenge myself, and I'm not that great with challenges, so wish me luck. But I want to put a post on YouTube every day with a new Christmas craft that I make with either IOD or one of the other products that I have been selling over the years. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens today at our first Christmas crafting countdown to Christmas. The first project in the countdown to Christmas is a banner with 7 different banner pieces. But it is 7 different pennants that are going to be glazed, and I am using the transfer YuleTide, which is a brand new transfer from IOD, and we are going to make this pennant. So I got to do some prep. The first thing I'm going to do is get these stained with an antique and glaze, which I am going to put on quite quickly. Our next step is to pick out which designs we want. These have all been dried. Both sides have been stained and they've been let dry, and they are ready to have the transfers adhere to them. So I'm going to start. I'm going to use this little Santa, and I try to leave my IOD transfer pad as intact as I possibly can. I've got to take this bunny. This bunny is so cute, but I want to make sure he fits. Just a tiny bit of him does not. Should we take the littler one? No, we should take this big, giant, gorgeous one. I'm going to take this bunny. Once I have them all cut out, I'm just going to burnish them down. It goes pretty quickly. Once they're all burnished down, I am going to add a little bit of the gold from the tinsel transfer, just to add a little bit of glitz to my banner. I wanted some typography on my garland, so I am using the gilded transfer tinsel, and I'm going to cut just a few pieces of the typography out of the back. So the first one I did was Peace with the little bunny, and I'm not sure you'll see it exactly, but there it is. And I am going to cut out a couple other ones, maybe 4 in total. They don't all have to have typography on it. All the typography is on, and it's time to string them up. So to make your string not be across the front, you actually push it through the front and out through the back all the way along the whole string. And that's what I did. I didn't want the string to be in the front. I just wanted to see the little string. It's kind of like a burlap twine in between them. Once I had the banner all strung up and I saw the typography, the gold typography on those 4 pieces, I decided I wanted a little bit of gold on each one of the banner pieces. So I went ahead and used the gilded transfer from IOD for Christmas, and I cut a couple of the snowflakes out, and I put snowflakes on the last 3 banner pieces that hadn't had any gold on them yet, and I'm super happy with it. I hadn't used the gold foil transfers yet, and they are a little bit trickier because it's a little harder to see whether you have gotten in the transfer part the letters off or not. You have to kind of lift it up to see that. But once you do it a couple times, it's no problem whatsoever. I am linking in the description all of the things that I used in this tutorial to make this banner, including the banner pieces. And I buy my IOD from Carrie at Steel Roots Market, and I will leave my affiliate link in the description. And I would really appreciate it if you used my affiliate link when you needed some IOD products. That is the end of our first Christmas roundup video for 2024.